Today we are making a corn melody. This is going to be my lunch, just a quick saute of some vegetables. All I'm going to do is take an ear of corn, a red pepper, a couple cloves of garlic, and some onion. And we're going to saute that up in the pan, cast iron pan right there. There it is. Anyway, so first off, let's prep our corn. We're going to microwave this in the oven. I'm going to start it out for 3 minutes. So essentially you're just going to be steaming the corn on the cob. We've got 3 minutes up there. As you can tell, I'm a shorty. Anyway, we'll be back in 3 minutes and I'll show you the easy way to shuck that corn. Alright, so 3 minutes is up. You want to grab your corn out of the microwaves, let it rest for about, 30 seconds or so, just to let the steam get in there. Alright. So this thing is hot. Make sure you use an oven mitt. You don't want to burn yourself. So what you want to do now is look for the little indentation on the end of the corn. You'll see it just as it starts to round. I'm going to cut that off. So what you're going to do is just start pinching on the top and squeezing the corn out of the husk. Takes all the little hairs off the top very nicely. Discard any little stragglers. My friends, is the most quickest way to shuck corn. Now to get your corn off the cob, just run your knife down. There's many ways of doing it, but this is my way. Nothing fancy. No extra bowl. Do it how you feel comfortable, without chopping your fingers off. So, there's that. Rinse my knife off. Ditch the glove. Let me just grab another bowl for my trash. Actually, how did I do that? I got an extra one. My vegetables are clean. Rinse them under the water. Take your pepper. Dice up your pepper. Dice just little squares, pieces. Nothing fancy. I'm not a chef. Don't pick on my knife skills. They work. Onion. Put as much onion as you want, and put as much pepper as you want. Onion juice in the eye, not good. I'll save that one for later. Not the prettiest, but it does the job. Throw those in. Throw those in. Now I'll be right back. Just going to do a quick cleanup before I get more onion juice in my eyeballs. Little hint, when you're playing with onions, make sure you clean up your board after you do your onions, or else you risk getting onion juice all over your eyes. Now, here's my knife. Here it is. Prep my garlic. One. Quick chop, nothing fancy, like I said. So after you prep all your vegetables, throw about a tablespoon or so of butter in there. Depends on how much you like. Okay, so once your butter is melted and your pan is getting hot, just throw your peppers and your onions in together. Let them start sweating down, cooking. You have a closer. Now, burner's on high. Pan nice and hot. Let this sweat down. I go for a nice caramelization on the onions. Don't overcook them. Or if you like softer vegetables, then you can overcook them. It's solely up to you. Alright, so now we're going to add a little bit of season. I use seasoned salt. This is seasoned the way you like to taste. If you don't like to use seasoned salt, don't use seasoned salt. If you want to use regular table salt, use table salt. Ground pepper, which I'm going to be adding right now. Go grab it. So you don't have to use corn on the cob either. You can use regular canned corn. Drain the juice. When you drain your juice, you just add your corn. Pop that right in there. Grab the garlic. You don't have to add garlic if you don't like garlic. I like garlic. Turn the heat down just a tad. I don't want to burn the garlic. So this is a nice side dish for dinners, but I'm making it for my lunch today. Still trying to get on that healthy bandwagon. Eating healthy. And also this makes not only a nice side dish, but you can also add some cooked chicken to this. Leftover chicken. Throw it right in here as it's cooking. It's really good that way. Alright, we're going to just let that sit and mingle for a little bit on medium heat. And I'm going to go take care of my sneeze. Woo! No, I didn't sneeze in the pan. Somebody probably got it though. So the controversy is, and the talk is, that a lot of people see in one of my videos, is my ice cream video there, that some people notice how, yes, I did lick my fingers. Yes, I did lick a spoon. But if you re-watch the video, not ever did I stick that same finger back in. I can take criticism. That's not the issue. But point to the story is, what you do in your kitchen and what you're cooking for yourself, you can taste your food. It's not going to kill you. It's going into your body. Anyway, when you're cooking for your family, there's a lot of people who out there that will do what I do and then stick their fingers right back in their food. It's just part of cooking. I'm not in a restaurant. I'm not feeding strangers. I would never do that. Anyway, let's get back to this dish. We're going to let this mingle for a little bit. About 2 to 3 minutes. Just let it mingle. And I usually tell when it's done is when it gets really nice and shiny. It's starting to get nice and shiny now. That's how I can tell it's done to my liking. Just gives you that guideline. I let this cook down. There's a few nice little crispy charcoal-y spots on it, so don't mind that. That's how I like it. So we're going to transfer that into the bowl. And that is your corn melody. Now, you can use green peppers, orange peppers, yellow peppers, whatever pepper you'd like, any onion you'd like, any corn you like. You can use frozen corn, you can use canned corn, you can use corn on the cob. Does not matter. Point is, you're cooking this, mixing it together, and that's why it's called a melody. It's really good. Salt and pepper to your liking. Add garlic. Don't add garlic. It's all up to you. This is just how I make it. Give it a try. You might like it. You might look at it and say, ooh, it's gross. No, it's really good. One more bite. Hot. Thanks for watching. Like all the other ones say, give this a good thumbs up if you like it. If not, don't worry about it. See you later.